Alright, in this video we'll be talking about how to save and manipulate files if you're taking a class that utilizes an Adobe product and that needs accessed through the college's VMware Horizon. Okay, so first of all, if I have some images that I would like to manipulate, I can put those images onto my home drive. Now, from my home drive, again that was my services, my drives, and my home drive. I have a file here called my pictures. I can select, and I have an image here on my desktop. I'm just going to drag it in there. Okay, so it takes a little bit. You have to be patient, refresh the page every once in a while. But I can see now that I have this file in my home directory on the college. Okay. Now I want to get into Yavapai College's VMware Horizon client so that I can work on the image. So I'm going to open that up, navigate to Photoshop, and I'm going to give it a second to open. Okay, once Photoshop is open, I'm going to navigate to File and Browse in Bridge. Okay. I notice right away that the image that I placed on the Yavapai College server is now available to me. If you don't see the image directly right away here on this first page, you can navigate to your username, the file folder with your college username on it, and pictures, and my pictures on the network, and you can see it there. So I'm just going to double click the image. Right. So here we have it. Let's say that we need to do some work on the image. I'm going to, and just to make sure that this is really clear, I'm going to do a drastic crop so that you can see that it's clearly, the image is clearly different. And save. And I'm going to exit Photoshop. I'm going to exit Bridge. Okay. And I'm going to go back into Photoshop from the VMware Horizon client. And we're just verifying that the information was indeed saved and that it's still accessible. Alright, so I'm back in Photoshop, and I'm going to go back into File and Browse in Bridge. And right away I notice that there's the image that I was working on with my drastic crop. I can double click on that again, and sure enough, right where I left off, I can continue to work on my project. Okay, and so that is how you can save and manipulate images and files, taking a class through the using the VMware Horizon client at Yavapai College.